nothing better in the fall than apple cake during apple picking season. I love my apple cake. It's actually a cardamom apple cake and it has the best caramel icing. My mom used to make a fabulous caramel icing and I've tweaked it a little bit. It's my brown butter salted caramel icing to go with my cardamom apple cake. And what I love about this cake is that it's a bowl cake. You don't have to cream butter and sugar. You just put everything in a bowl. So easy. I have a cup of coconut sugar and I have 3 eggs. And I'm just gonna give that a whisk together. I need a pinch of salt. When the sugar and the eggs are starting to come together nicely, then you add the oil. A cup of oil. This is a grapeseed oil. Give it a mix. All right, then I add a little bit of vanilla. This is vanilla paste, my favorite, and I'm notorious for not really measuring it, but a teaspoon at least. And I need a teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of ground cardamom, and give it a whisk. Oh, that smells so good already. That cardamom is just one of my favorite spices. All right, then 2 cups of flour, and we'll whisk this till it's well combined. All right, this is exactly where I want it. Now I have 3 apples that I need to peel and grate to go in this. All those apples are grated and I just need to add them into my cake batter. We're just gonna give this a good stir and incorporate all those apples. Now I need to pour it into my 9x13 pan that I've buttered and spread it out to evenly cooked pan. That goes into my 350 oven for 45 minutes. First you need to brown the butter and then add your brown sugar, cardamom, and then the coconut milk. Once the mixture's cooled a little bit, add your powdered sugar, mix it in well, and then we're ready to ice our cake. Once you get this all spread around evenly, you're going to sprinkle it with some flake salt or coarse sea salt and enjoy. So good.